Welcome back to another video. So if you're new, my name's Victoria, welcome. And I normally don't start videos in my car, but today I am because I am currently sitting in the parking lot of a thrift store and I look totally bald right now, but my hair is just in a ponytail and my hair matches the color of the interior on my car, so yeah. But and I also have a fanny pack on today, so if you're wondering what this strap is on my neck, it is my purse. I am super excited because I haven't been to a thrift store in honestly forever, probably since December of last year when I got invited to an ugly Christmas sweater party. If you get invited to an ugly Christmas sweater party this year, remember to always go to a thrift store, Goodwill, because they always have the ugliest sweaters, especially they usually always get the ones from the 90s, which are always, you know, really funny to find and look at. So they're perfect for ugly Christmas sweater parties. On certain days, everything is like a certain price, like everything in the whole store. So today's Friday and everything is $1.75, which is a really good deal. So whatever you find inside the store is $1.75, which I think is so awesome. I got major inspo from Tony Sevdalis, which is one of my all-time favorite YouTubers. She filmed one of these videos and found so many cute items. So I'm hoping, you know, it turns out to be that way for me also. I love shopping, so put me in a store with clothes, used or new, and I'm gonna go crazy. So let's go inside and see what I can find. If you like these videos, before we get started, make sure and hit the thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe. And yeah, I will catch you guys inside the store. So I'm currently searching in the guy section because I love oversized t-shirts, but so far I'm not having any luck. Okay, so it's the next day. I didn't get a chance to finish the video yesterday only because I went to the thrift store kind of late and I am a huge germaphobe, so I had to wash my clothes at least like 3 times. Super excited. I want to show you guys all the stuff that I got. I didn't get as much stuff as I hoped for, to be honest. I don't know if I went on like a really weird day, which I feel like I did because the day before was 25-cent day, so I feel like everything probably got cleaned out that day. So I definitely want to go back at the beginning of the week. I went on a Friday, so that probably wasn't the best time to go. Usually they're already out of stuff by the end of the week, which is what the guy was telling me, and you know, I should have known. So I did get my hands on a few tops. That's pretty much about it, but the stuff that I did get, I really do like. Okay, so the first top that I got was this really cute cream Eddie Bauer tank. Let me tell you, the quality is absolutely amazing. It's not just one of those thin spaghetti strap shirts. It is really thick and it has a built-in bra, which I absolutely love. Any reason not to wear a bra, girl, I'm all about it. So I really liked this tank. I went in with the idea of knowing that I wanted to get some basics, and I have a little stain right there because I am seriously really wearing this outfit today. I've been wearing it all day, and I have it paired with my Target fanny pack, my Target denim, and then also my Target flats. If you saw my back to school Target style guide, then you already saw all 3 of these items. Clearly you can tell I really do love the stuff that I buy, and I really do wear it. So this is a real outfit that I have on today. I was just doing some wedding stuff today, so I just wanted to be casual. I didn't feel like carrying a bag, so this fanny pack came in handy. I really liked this top because it seriously doesn't ever look like it's been worn. It is by the designer Eddie Bauer. So Eddie Bauer is a really good designer. They make really good quality stuff. So when I came across this one, I was like, yes girl, $1.75. This is what I was looking for, and it is super cute. It's really good to have a lot of basics in your closet just because you can pair them with sweaters. When we're going into the fall, you can layer this, and it's just, you know, something really good, easy, quick to throw on. And sometimes, you know, we all need pieces like that in our closet. The thing about shopping, if you do shop at thrift stores, or if you do plan on going to a thrift store, the thing about shopping at a thrift store is going for really good basics that you can dress up, dress down. So for instance, this tank top, I could dress it up or dress it down, and I really loved the color. Always go for good quality stuff, so good name brand stuff you can usually find at thrift stores, Goodwill, you name it. So that was one thing that I had in mind, was going for really good basics. That was kind of my goal. So going into a thrift store, sometimes you may not know what you're looking for. You may just want to go to browse. But if you go in with somewhat of an idea, it kind of gives you an idea of what you want, and you don't get so overwhelmed with the sometimes a mess or just a lot of clothes in your general area. So I went in knowing that I wanted some basic tanks. So I'm really glad that I found this one. Top is this super cute satin, I would say it's like satin. It's this really cute satin top, and it has this really nice like pleating detail in the front on the breast area, and I think that it's really flattering. Also, it comes down to like about right here, but I liked it really tucked in, like the really neat look. That's kind of what I was going for. I lost the fanny pack and paired it with the same Target jeans, and then I have these gold Zara heels. They're metallic. They're more of like a rose gold. They're so cute. I want to do a fall shoe collection type book. Oh, excuse my laundry over there. I want to do like a fall shoe lookbook. So let me know if you guys would be into that, to give you ideas what shoes are on trend this fall and kind of give you some inspo. Let me know if you're into that in the comments down below, because I'd totally be down. I've been getting a lot of new shoes for the fall time, so I want to show you guys. Anyways, so this is top number 2, and I really love it. What do you guys think? I am blown away, seriously, with the tops. The last 2 tops that I've tried on I have been obsessed with, and this one I am really obsessed with as well. So it is this satin red top with like these little circular type pattern, and it gave me like some serious Gucci vibes, if you ask me. I love tops like this. I think that they are so on trend, and I think that they are really comfortable. I don't have any boobs, so I kind of just, you know, throw on a pasty and call it a day. But you can definitely wear this top multiple ways. If you do have boobs and if you do need to wear a bra, you could button it up, you could untie it and tuck it in your jeans. I have it paired with some high-waisted black denim, paired with some black pumps. I wanted to pair it with another pair of jeans, but I couldn't find them, so I wouldn't do the rip necessarily, but I would pair it with black denim for sure. I love this top. It is like the best $1.75 that I have ever spent. Okay, so here is top number 4, I believe. I always lose track in these kinds of videos where I have to, you know, rely on counting, because I always forget in between changing. I wasn't sure if I was going to like this top, but I actually really do. Besides the fact that the sleeves for some reason felt like extremely tight, unless I have like the hugest arms in the world, but it was kind of, it feels a little snug. But besides that, I really like this top. I have it paired with some leggings and just some sneakers as like more of like a casual athleisure look for the fall. So this is this really pretty taupey top, but it is like velvet or velour, whatever you want to call it, and it has this really nice satin, like almost champagne lining, and it has a collar, also satin, and then it has these satin cuffs. So it's velour and then satin, and I really like the color tone. That's totally my vibe. I'm totally a neutral type of gal, and I really love this top. I can totally see me wearing every single top so far, because I am obsessed with all my buys. This was the only one, like I said, that I was iffy about, and I really love it. It is so cute. You could definitely even dress it up, but I would probably wear it more on like a casual vibe. But it is so cute. I am absolutely obsessed with everything that I have gotten from the thrift store. If you haven't been to the thrift store, or if you just, you know, haven't gone in a long time, definitely hit up your local thrift store, hit up a Goodwill, hit up a Salvation Army. You know, sometimes I feel like Goodwills and thrift stores have bad raps, but I think about the stuff that I donate, and my stuff is pretty good stuff. I just go through clothes really quickly. I like to shop a lot, so I accumulate a lot of things, and sometimes I just get rid of whatever I can't sell or whatever I don't feel like selling. I will donate, because there are people that, you know, don't always have a lot of money that want to also look fashionable too. So I try and donate my clothes as much as possible, but you know, sometimes we forget that sometimes we just throw away good clothes, we just toss them out to Goodwill. So sometimes you can find some really good treasures, and I only spent like 10 bucks, so on 4 tops that I will totally wear. I have one last one. It is also casual. Here's the last top. It is this cotton cami with this built-in bra, and you guys know, any excuse I have to not wear a bra, I am all about it. So I love it. I love that there's like this lace detailing. It also does have it at the bottom, but I like it tucked in, but it would look so cute also tucked out. You can wear it with leggings and sneakers. I like it tucked in, but I have it paired again with my Target denim. You guys know it's real. If I have them on all the time, I'm absolutely obsessed. Let me tuck this back in. Denim jeans are everything, and $20, so that's why you may see them a lot in some outfit posts, but you know, just know that I really love them. So I have it tucked in with these Target denim, and then I have it paired with just some lace-up sandals, and I tied my jeans in with it only because I was lazy, but usually that's not how that would look. But I really love every single thing that I got, and I only spent $8.75. So these are some really cute things that you can layer. Like I can throw a sweater on because I live in Texas, so it is pretty hot for a while, and you know, occasionally you just need a sweater in the fall time until you hit winter, and even then sometimes you're wearing a spaghetti strap shirt on Christmas morning. Let me know in the comments down below if you like these kinds of videos and if you want to see me film a part 2 to this, because I definitely really enjoyed filming this thrift store finds video, and I want to keep going to more thrift stores because I had such good luck, and I feel like you will too. So hit up your local thrift store, go check them out. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite item that I bought. And can you believe I only spent $1.75 on each one of these tops? It still blows my mind. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video super soon. Oh my god, I look crazy. My hair is crazy. I've tried on too many clothes. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video super soon. Bye.